welcome back to our channel. How are you? I'm back with another interesting episode which is going to tell you the unknown stories of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Actually, these are the inspiring real life incidents from the life of the people's president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Words fall very short to describe the greatness of this human filled with humility and kindness. But his love for children and youngsters is a very known fact to every Indian. Without any further ado, let's know the unknown stories of the Missile Man of India, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. But I would like to ask you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my videos. Incident number 1. When his team worker could not take his kids to an exhibition because of hectic work, he did. During a hectic project, one of the 70 scientists working on it asked Dr. Kalam if he could leave at 5:30 p.m. that evening, as he had promised to take his kids to an exhibition. Dr. Kalam gave him permission. However, the scientist got busy with work only to realize that it was 8:30 p.m. When he looked for his boss, he wasn't there. Guilty for having disappointed his kids, he went back home only to find that his kids weren't there. When he asked his wife where they were, she replied, "You don't know? Your manager came here at 5:15 p.m. and took the children to the exhibition." When Dr. Kalam noticed him working hard at 5 p.m., he thought to himself that this person would not leave work, but if he had promised his children, they should definitely enjoy the exhibition. So he, the boss, took the lead and took them there. Incident number 2. When he asked an Indian student to have dinner from his plate. When some Indian students met him during the International Space Development Conference (ISDC) at San Diego, California in 2013, they went up to his dining table to say hello. The president, who was eating dinner, asked a student to eat from his plate. Highly surprised, he took a leaf of spinach from his salad when he insisted. Till this day, I take it to be a leaf of inspiration from him and the best dinner I could ever imagine, he shared. Incident number 3. When he did not want broken glass on the walls because it could harm the birds. While he was working on a construction project with DRDO, he asked the team what would they do to ensure security around a certain building. The team lead suggested broken glass on the walls. The former president was quick to turn down the suggestion. He said, "The birds cannot perch on the wall. Think of something else." A politician who thought about birds as much as he did about people. Incident number 4. When an excited kid drew a sketch of him and he sent a thank you letter. A class 6 student made Kalam's sketch after reading his book Wings of Fire. When he showed it around in the family, his family got super excited and asked him to mail it to the president. A little hesitant at first, he still did so. A couple of days later, he got a letter from the president himself. It said, "Dear Naman Naren, thank you for your nice drawing. With best wishes from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Till this date, he keeps the card safe with him. Incident number 5. When he gave a backbencher an internship with the Rashtrapati Bhavan. A batch of IIM indoor students were to give a presentation to Mr. Kalam in groups. Since this was a big chance to impress the president, everyone was trying hard except this one group of so-called casual students, the backbenchers. They started working 2 days before the D-Day. One of the students took the responsibility to format the presentation. While the content took half a day, he took 1.5 days with no sleep to add color, formatting and animation to the slides. When the group presented the presentation, Dr. Kalam asked who did the formatting. He gave that guy a golden visiting card saying Ex-President India printed on it and asked him to call at the office after 2 days. When the guy made the call, he was told that he had been chosen for an internship at his office and will be working on various presentations that he needs for the UNO. Incident number 6. When he invited a cobbler as a presidential guest. Right after Dr. Abdul Kalam was elected as the president, he attended an event at Kerala Raj Bhavan in Trivandrum. With the power vested in him, he could have invited any 2 people as the presidential guest. Guess who he called? A roadside cobbler and the owner of a very small hotel. He invited the cobbler and the hotel owner, both of whom he was close to during his time in Kerala. Incident number 7. When he refused to sit on a chair reserved for him because it was bigger than the other chairs. Dr. Kalam was invited as the chief guest at the convocation ceremony at IIT Varanasi. 5 chairs were put on the stage, the middle one being big for Kalam and the others for the university officials. When Dr. Kalam noticed that his chair was bigger in size than the others, he refused to sit on it and politely asked the Vice-Chancellor to sit instead. When the Chancellor did not, another chair of the same size was made available for Dr. Kalam. While these are a very few incidents, they provide a much needed sneak peek into the life of Dr. Abdul Kalam and continue to inspire the next generation youth. These incidents also teach the public figures how to conduct themselves even when they are occupying the highest responsibilities in the country. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also share this video to all your friends and family so that they could know the unknown stories of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and also activate the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. And if you want to know the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the link will be provided in the description box. Just check it out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.